The sun, a giant ball of burning gas that dominates our sky. It's the source of life, providing warmth and light to our planet. But have you ever wondered what would happen if you got too close? Imagine for a moment that you could travel to the sun. As you approach, the heat becomes unbearable. The light is blinding. You are entering a realm of extreme temperatures and intense radiation. The sun is a vast and complex object. It's made up of several layers, each with its own unique properties. The surface of the sun, called the photosphere, is a churning sea of plasma. It's here that sunspots, cooler regions caused by magnetic activity, appear. But what would happen if you could experience the sun's power even for the briefest moment? Could you survive a nanosecond on its surface? The photosphere, though seemingly the sun's surface, is just the beginning of the journey inward. This thin layer, only about 300 miles thick, is where the sunlight we see is emitted. This layer, with temperatures reaching 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit, pales in comparison to the inferno below. The heat here is intense, but it's just a prelude to the even more extreme conditions deeper within. Granules, caused by the convection of heat, bubble and churn on the photosphere. These granules are about 600 miles across and last for only a few minutes before dissipating. Sunspots, those dark blemishes on the sun's face, are actually cooler regions, but still reach temperatures exceeding 6,000 degrees Fahrenheit. They appear dark only in contrast to the surrounding hotter areas. These spots are a testament to the powerful magnetic forces at play within the sun. The magnetic fields are so strong that they inhibit the flow of heat, causing these cooler, darker regions. Beneath the photosphere lies the convective zone, where heat churns and bubbles, creating massive currents of plasma. This zone extends about 120,000 miles inward and is crucial for transporting energy outward. Deeper still is the radiative zone, a dense region where energy is transported through radiation. Here, photons can take thousands of years to travel through this dense medium. At the very heart of the sun lies the core, a nuclear furnace where hydrogen atoms fuse under unimaginable pressure to form helium, releasing the energy that powers the sun. This core, with temperatures exceeding 27 million degrees Fahrenheit, is the true powerhouse of our solar system. Above the photosphere lies the chromosphere, a fascinating layer of tenuous gas that glows a striking red during solar eclipses, creating a breathtaking spectacle. Temperatures in the chromosphere can reach tens of thousands of degrees Fahrenheit, a stark contrast to the cooler photosphere below. This region is home to solar prominences, which are gigantic, awe-inspiring arcs of plasma that stretch out from the sun's surface, sometimes extending thousands of miles into space. Further out still is the corona, the outermost and perhaps most enigmatic layer of the sun's atmosphere. The corona forms a wispy halo of plasma that extends millions of miles into space, visible during total solar eclipses as a ghostly white crown. It's in the corona that temperatures soar to an astonishing millions of degrees Fahrenheit, far hotter than the surface of the sun itself. The corona remains a profound mystery to scientists. Despite extensive research, it's still unclear why the corona is much hotter than the sun's surface, a phenomenon that defies simple explanation. One prevailing theory suggests that energy is transported to the corona by nanoflares, which are tiny yet powerful explosions that occur constantly on the sun's surface, releasing immense amounts of energy. The corona is also the birthplace of the solar wind, a continuous stream of charged particles that flows outward from the sun, bathing the planets in our solar system and influencing space weather. Section 4. The blink of an eye. Now back to our original question. Could you survive even a nanosecond on the sun? The answer is a resounding no, not even close. A nanosecond, a billionth of a second, is an unimaginable fraction of time. It's so brief that it's almost beyond human comprehension. Yet on the sun, it's more than enough time for disaster to strike. The moment you arrive, you'd be vaporized instantly. The intense heat would immediately turn your body into plasma, a state of matter where atoms are stripped of their electrons. The radiation would bombard your atoms relentlessly, tearing them apart at a subatomic level. Even if you could somehow withstand the heat and radiation, you'd still be ripped apart by the sun's immense gravitational forces. The sun is 333,000 times more massive than Earth, and its gravitational pull is correspondingly immense. So, While a nanosecond is a short time in our daily lives, it's an eternity on the sun. It's a stark reminder of the immense power and danger of our nearest star, the sun. Section 5. The sun's embrace. Though a deadly inferno up close, the sun is essential to life on Earth. It provides the energy that drives our weather patterns, warms our planet, and allows plants to grow through photosynthesis. Without the sun, Earth would be a frozen, lifeless rock. The sun's gravity holds our planet in its orbit, keeping us at a safe distance from its fiery embrace. The sun's influence is felt throughout our solar system. Its gravity governs the motions of the planets, and its energy warms the surfaces of even the most distant worlds. The sun is a constant reminder of the power and beauty of the universe we live in. It's a star among billions in our galaxy, and yet it holds the key to our existence. Section 6. A universe of wonder. The sun is just one of billions of stars in our galaxy, and our galaxy is just one of billions of galaxies in the universe. The vastness of space is almost incomprehensible, and yet it's filled with wonder and beauty. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we're constantly making new discoveries that challenge our understanding of the universe and our place in it. So the next time you look up at the sun, take a moment to appreciate its power and beauty. And remember that we are connected to this star and to the universe beyond in ways we are only just beginning to understand. Keep exploring, keep asking questions, and never lose your sense of wonder. Don't forget to subscribe to Universe Intelligence, because even the sun needs a break from time to time.